planning and preparing for a trip in the backcountry? Use these quick tips to leave no trace while traveling and camping in the backcountry and beyond.
While planning ahead and preparing starts at home, it doesn't stop once you hit the trail. Weather can change from the forecast, and the needs of your group may be different than anticipated. Check in with your group often and continue to plan each day throughout the trip.
It's a little exposed, so is anyone afraid of heights?
While hiking, travel on durable surfaces such as trails, rock, and dirt. If you have a large group, consider splitting up into smaller travel groups. If you travel off-trail, give each other space and take different routes to ensure that you disperse your impacts. When setting up camp, seek out durable surfaces such as dirt or dry grass so that you'll be comfy and the wildflowers will be too.
Lastly, be considerate of other visitors. Be kind and communicate with other hikers and riders on the trail when you encounter one another. If you like to listen to music, use headphones so that others can enjoy the peace and quiet. While visiting these beautiful backcountry spaces, we can all work together to leave no trace.